Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram story from everyone at once. If you want to make sure that no one can see your story, this quick tutorial will teach you how to do it step by step. So, make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. From here, we'll go to the Privacy section, and specifically, the Story settings. If you can't find it right away, you can use the search bar at the top and type in Story to find it quickly. Now, in case you still can't find the Story settings, tap on Story. Then, tap on More and select Story settings. This will bring up the options you need. Here's the thing. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't allow you to completely hide your story from everyone at once with a single button. However, you can hide your story from specific people. Under the Viewers section, you can search for individual people and select who you want to hide your story from. Once you've selected your preferred people, tap Done. But if you want to hide your story from everyone, there's a workaround. You can add your story to close friends only. Just tap on Close Friends, and either select someone you trust or create a secondary account to add to your close friends list. This way, only the people you've added to your close friends list will be able to see your story. So, once you've added a person to your close friends list, go ahead and post your story. When you tap Add to Story, take a photo and then choose Close Friends to share it. Your story will now only be visible to the specific persons you've added to this list. Alternatively, if you want to hide your story from everyone completely, you can just delete it. By deleting the story, it will no longer be visible to anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to hide your Instagram story from everyone or just a select few. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.